What's up, boy? Brasi boy.
Yo, what up, though? What up, though? It's your boy, Mr. Flash Bully, man. Back again, man. I know it's been a while since I dropped the video, but I've been kind of busy dealing with my business, moving, actually dealing with the dogs and everything, man. I haven't had time to make videos, man, but I'm definitely going to update y'all on a lot of things, man. A lot of things been happening, man. So we definitely going to get into that. But I've tried to switch up the dog food again, man, and my boy Brasi, man, has some allergic reactions, man. So we went back to the diamond, just to kind of keep him on the food that he was on, man. I was trying to switch up the dog food, man. Just trying to give him something different, you know. But his skin didn't agree with it, so now we're here. He has these little spots on him, you know, where he's missing hair and stuff. And don't be alarmed by that if you see that with your dog, because it's common. It's common, especially with the American bullies, man. They tend to have skin reactions or skin allergic to different dog food, different things, man. It could be things in your grass. It could be the dog food, man. It could be what you're cleaning your floors with. But here, man, it's just food allergies that Brasi's experiencing right now with these spots, man. He got on him. He got it on his side, his tail, his head, you know, on the other side. So I picked up this new stock. I've been using this new stock for a while, man, for years, and it definitely works, man. I love it. You know, I spent $17.99 from the dog store here in Kansas City. You can definitely pick this up, man. New stock, NU-stock, man. New stock, man. I stand by new stock. New stock works on your dogs, man. You definitely probably just, if you want to wear gloves, you can wear gloves because it definitely has sulfur in it. 73% sulfur. 2% pine oil, 25% mineral oil. The directions and everything is on the back, and the ingredients and everything is on the back. So they use these for horses. It is definitely good with dogs as well, as you see a horse and a dog picture on the front of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wipe it on him, you know, just kind of put it all on him, even on his head, you know, on his side. I'm not gonna put it up under the bottom. I'm just gonna put it on the sides, on his hair, you know, just kind of rub. Come with a seal lid on there. You want to shake well. Make sure you shake it up good so you can get it all mixed up. The mineral oil, pine oil, and the sulfur. Peel that top off. Come here. Just put some in my palm here. Come here, boy. Come here. Brasi. Come here. Come here, Brasi. Don't be a hard head pup. Come here. So I rub it in like this. It's on all the spots where he's missing hair at. Not all over, just on the spots he's missing hair. Don't worry about it being yellow. It'll definitely massage itself in there. Now he won't stay yellow. It'll definitely work his way in, massage his way in. He ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna go roll in the grass anyway. That's why I'm making sure it's on the spots. It'll come off his hair once it dries. Sit. Get your tail and I'm done, boy. Trying to make him look good for the bitches. Look good for the bitches, for the new breedings coming. look good for the bitches. Good boy. Good boy, Brasi. Be back to yourself in no time. New stock, man. Get you some new stock. Definitely bring that hair back in about a week or two. From what I've seen, it only takes like a week or two. There y'all go. New stock, man. I live by that new stock, $17.99. Bring that hair back, man. Non-toxic. Safe for all animals, man. It's definitely safe. That new stock. Got that new stock on him. You make sure you take your dogs a bath. I use oatmeal shampoo on him. And I rinse it off with some of that mane and tail. This right here, it'll definitely soak into his coat, soak into his skin. This is new stock that's on him. He will not stay yellow. He's only yellow just for a short period of time until this dries. Chauffeur. So right here, man, we got that new stock on your boy LBJ. Had allergic reaction. So I put some new stock on him. He's yellow right now, but once it dries and he get through rolling in the grass, it'll definitely come off of him. My boy had allergic reaction to some food. I tried to switch his food up. His skin wasn't having it. So now we back on the Victor. My boy gonna stay on the Victor in the raw diet. That boy LBJ. Gotta get the skin right for the bitches, man. Gotta make sure the bitches see you, man. Not just for your size, but for that color, for that mural pattern. My boy LBJ.